This out to chop. Check that out. Wow. Hi guys, so today I'm making a Char Siu air fryer full chicken. Here is the chicken that I cut up and cleaned. Now I'll just show you guys how to marinate it. Okay, first we're going to sprinkle some salt all around the chicken. Don't need to sprinkle so much because we're going to be marinating this with soy sauce as well. Okay, sprinkle some salt on the skin as well. Okay, next we're going to sprinkle some white pepper. Good amount of white pepper. Okay, now we will add in some sugar. Just give it a good sprinkle around. You don't want too much, or else when you put it in the air fryer it will burn up. Put some on the chicken skin as well. Will make the skin crispy. Okay, that should be enough. Now we're going to add in, also sprinkle some Chinese 5-spice powder. Don't want too much, just give it a good sprinkle all around. Okay, that's enough. Now we're also gonna sprinkle some chicken bouillon powder. A good amount. This will add extra flavor to the chicken. Okay, now we're gonna drizzle a little bit of oyster sauce. Just now we're gonna be rubbing this chicken, so a good amount of oyster sauce. Drizzle some sesame oil. More is better because we're going to be air frying this chicken. Drizzle some Chinese rice wine. Next we're going to drizzle a little bit of mushroom dark soy sauce just to give it a bit of color. That's enough. Drizzle some soy sauce also around. Now we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. We're gonna drizzle a good amount of olive oil as well. Now we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This will thicken the sauce and it will help the sauce stick onto the chicken, and yeah, you also make the chicken very crispy and stuff when you air fry it. Okay, so these are the ingredients. As you can see, I don't put a lot of like sugary sauces on because when you air fry the chicken it will burn very quickly, because we'll be air frying this chicken for about, like, each side will be about like 20 minutes, so you don't want too much sugar. So we just gotta mix this up, marinate it into the chicken here. Marinate the sauces into the chicken skin, the inside and the outside of the skin here. Give it a good rub. So once the chicken is air fried to perfection, we will make a char siu and honey sauce. Then we will coat it, and then we'll air fry it for a few minutes. Then it will be very tasty and delicious, guys. And you won't get a burnt chicken. So make sure don't add too much sugar or else the chicken will burn up very quickly. Okay, I'm just going to flip the chicken around like this. I'm going to cover this up and then put it in the fridge to marinate for about 4 to 6 hours or the whole day. Then we'll pop it into the air fryer. Okay guys, so here's my marinated chicken here. As you can see. Just going to twirl it around here. A good mix. Add the sauce. Okay, let's pop it into the air fryer. In the air fryer, you can see I put some tin foil. Let's air fry this delicious chicken. Okay, the extra sauce, we're not gonna add extra, we're just leaving it like this. Okay, we'll pop it in the air fryer. We'll tune it at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Then we'll check back on it now. Okay guys, after 20 minutes, check this out. Oh, looking good. Okay, let's flip this around. See that chicken here? Okay, let's flip it around. Okay, now we're going to air fry the chicken skin area for another 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, I'm showing you guys how to make the char siu glaze on the chicken. Okay, I'm first gonna put in half a cup of water. Add in half a cup of water. Because it's a full chicken, I'm going to make it a full cup of water. Put in a full cup of water here. Okay, we're going to add in half a cup of sugar. Next, I got here the Lee Kam Ki Char Siu sauce over here. We're adding 3 teaspoons. And you see that little red glaze color. We're also going to drizzle some olive oil. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce. Turn down the heat. I'm now going to make a little cornstarch slurry. So here I got like a little bit of water, and here's half a teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, turn back up the heat. We're gonna put this cornstarch slurry in this char siu glaze, so that when we brush it onto the chicken, it will stick onto the chicken better. If you don't make the slurry, when you brush this sauce onto the chicken and you air fry, the sauce will fall off the chicken. So we're gonna add in the cornstarch slurry now, slowly. Keep on mixing. This up for a few minutes. It's smelling so good. Okay, it's ready guys. Turn down the heat. Switch this off. Okay guys, let's check out the chicken. Woohoo! Look at that guys. Check at that. Okay, now I'm gonna glaze the chicken. I got my sauce here. Ooh, so crispy, and it's also the skin is also charred, as you can see. good glaze. Okay, we're gonna flip it around. Wow, check at that, guys. Wow. Just glaze the inside of the chicken. Inside the chicken here. Oh yeah. Okay, now we're just gonna air fry this for about 2 minutes. Okay guys, let's check this out. Okay, nice. Wow, look at that. So juicy. Now we're gonna pour in the rest of that char siu sauce here. I'm glazing the chicken. Yeah. Smelling so good. Okay, let's pop it back in the air fryer for another 2 minutes. Okay guys, the chicken is ready. We're gonna take this out to chop. Check that out. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Check at this, guys. Char siu chicken. Okay, let's take it out to chop it. Okay guys, looking good. Check that out. Smelling so good. Char siu flavor. Mom's helping me cut up the chicken. Smelling so good.好，試一扣，睇講下點樣。
家好，嗱斬好晒隻雞啦，而家攞球試下先，試下睇好唔好食先。攞球細細地。
Okay, my mom's gonna try out my char siu chicken here. Yeah. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. and subscribe to our channel.
落嚿靚靚。好食啊！又多juicy，味道又好，一向食叉燒一樣咁好味道。好正。
My mom say it tastes like char siu pork as well. So yeah. So make sure you guys give this recipe a try. Let me know how it went, guys. Yummy.
呀，好正，好靚。